Yes, people, this is your girl Aleisha Lee and welcome back to another episode of Motivational Lee. On this week's episode, as we continue our 48 Laws of Power series, we look at Law 16. Use absence to increase respect and honour. But before we get into that, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are kept up to date each and every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get into this. They say that too much circulation makes your price go down. The more you are seen and heard from, the more common you appear. If you are always seen, if you're at every event, if you're there from the beginning to the end, people just see you as part of the furniture. They just see you as something that is common and something that isn't really as unique or special. Why? Because you're always there. We can never miss you. We never get a chance to miss you. Why? Because you're always there. And what this law is saying is that you need to do the opposite. You need to sometimes be absent, and that will increase the honour and respect, as opposed to being at every single event thinking that you're going to get the respect that way. Sometimes it might not work in your favour if you are looking to be seen as more powerful. The law mentions if you are already in a group, having a moment of temporary withdrawal will make you appear more powerful. This will get you in a position where you're more talked about. People are wondering what's really going on with you, and this will help create value through scarcity. You become more rare. It's like diamonds. It's a jewel that you don't get to see often. It's something that is not as common, and that's because it's rare. It's not something that is available everywhere. So to summarize this law, use absence to increase respect and honor. You need to be rare. You need to make sure that you're not about as much. If you are about all the time, you're going to be seen as common. You're going to be seen as, just part of the furniture. And in order for you to have that powerful state, you need to be rare. You need to not be at every single event. You need to make sure that when you are present, it really is a gift, because you are not at every single function. You being out here must really be special, because you're not out here like that. You are creating value through scarcity. But yes, people, that is it for this video. Let me know your thoughts on Law 16. Is this a law that you would use, using absence to increase respect and honor? Is that something you see yourself doing, or is it something that you've done in the past? Leave a comment down below. Let us know how that turned out for you. In next week's video, we will be looking at Law 17. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button too, and share this video. If you found it useful, share it with your people then. Let them know what we've got going on over here as we cover the 48 Laws of Power. Make sure you have a great week, stay blessed, and I'll catch you in my next video. Dunno, boy.